Chapter 2. What happens in Mumbai stays in Mumbai. 2 years ago, the pity fight. There you are. I have been searching high and low for you. Now, you and I are gonna have a lovely trip around this university. The climate is also perfect, isn't it? Not so bright, not so gloomy, the shady trees and the smooth breeze of the cold winds. And with you around, I'm gonna enjoy it. Way more thinking that I held the handle of one of the bicycle that was parked in the free bicycle slot. I was so lost in my thoughts that I did not even notice someone else holding the seat of it. Excuse me? Said we both at the same time. Actually, all my friends have cycles and I am the only one left without one. Can I please take it? I don't want to be left out from my pack. And I'm new around here. I came here for this event. If you don't mind, can I take it? Asked she. Oh, hold it right there, woman. You're talking really fast. Let me just process this shit first. Thinking that, I looked at her again. She was adorable as hell. The way her eyes were rolling while she was talking was a pleasure to my eyes. The wind was continuously trying to disturb her flow, but that did not seem to bother her at all. As she was talking while brushing off the hairs from her face, she was short, my bad. Let's just say her height was cute, and above all, she used her ultimate weapon, the puppy face. Damn, how can I say no to that? I might as well stick with her, give her a tour of this place. But I'm new here too. It happens that I'm here for attending the same event going on here in IIT Mumbai. Well, for starters, I'm from SRM University, Chennai. Enough with the mind voice. Let's just give her the bicycle. Already? Wait, what if she thinks I'm trying to be too nice cause she was a girl? Actually, that's the whole point, right? I mean me trying to be nice to her cause she's adorable as hell? I think I'm just gonna give it to her. No, wait. What if she is one of those feminist types who prefers not being treated nice just because she was a girl? Come on, I'm not giving her the bicycle just because she's a girl. She's adorable too. What's the big deal? She seems like a nice person. So let's just stop being judgmental for a minute and let go of the handle. Thinking that, I calmed my nerves on the handle of the bicycle. Here you go, miss. Have a nice day. I was about to leave after saying that. But just then I heard her say, Thanks, Mangya. Seriously? For being a perfect gentleman, I'm being called names now? By the way, Mangya in Kannada means monkey. I so wanna thank my Kannada friend who called me with all the weird names possible. No, I'm not a Kannadiga, I'm a Telugu guy with some pretty good survival skills. She just jaunted the wrong tree and now there's no way in hell that I'm gonna back up. Thinking that, I held the handle again. Nange adbegu. It's what I want in Kannada. With a surprised face, she turned towards me and said, Sorry dude, I did not think you would understand that. And if it makes you feel any better, I just said it normally. As you say, thanks dude. No offense, huh? With a smile, I said, I understand Kannada. And I don't even bother. I feel better now, but it so happens to be that I'm the only one left in my pack without a bicycle too. I want this more badly than you do, so try that puppy face on someone else. Her surprised face was not so surprising anymore. She was breathing slowly in a heavy-faced way. Her cheeks started turning red, as if she was about to lash out on me. Trust me, I could feel the climate change from a nice and sunny day to a stormy day. How dare you? I saw this bicycle first and I wanted, she shouted. Nah, I don't think so. This at your kindergarten. I saw it first and I want it, shouted I. How dare you! I saw this bicycle first and I want it, shouted she. Nah, I don't think so. This at your kindergarten. I saw it first and I want it, shouted I. Hell, I'm not gonna back down from this one, and nothing's gonna stop me taking from this bicycle with me. By the looks of it, she probably is thinking the exact same thing. Just then, a girl came and said, Bhagi, what are you doing here? It's getting late. Come on, let's go. The event's gonna start in 10 minutes. They asked us to stand in the allotted area with a bridge model in Telugu. You heard it right, she spoke in Telugu. I could not believe my ears, but I thought she was a Kannadati. She is full of surprises. So is she a Telugu girl or a Kannadati? How does that concern you anyways? You're going to win this battle and she's gonna go away now. Come on, put on that victory smile and let the drums begin, I thought. But stopping my victory trumpet, she said, I will be with you in a while. I think we still have time. So why don't you just go and complete all the formalities? So, does that friend of yours have an invisible bicycle? Cause I could not see one on her right now. Questioned I. Now that's gonna piss her off. Nice one, but I'm not going anywhere without this. Saying that, she pulled the cycle towards her. She's tough. Well then, stay here, Missy. Thinking that, I pulled the bicycle towards me. Just then, my friend came and said, Chai, there you are. Come on, the event's gonna start in 10 minutes. The others are already in the queue. We need to get in after our allotted number is called up. Oh, come on. This can't be seriously happening right now. I'm about to win this thing and I need to. You guys go on. I'll catch up with you there. Saying that, I asked him to leave. Well, your friend's invisible bicycle kind of looks cooler, she said. Trust me, it's not as good as the one your friend's riding on, I replied. We just stood there staring at each other with disgusted looks. We were concentrating so badly on this whole bitch face competition that we forgot to notice the time and the ringing phones. So will either one of them give up the tough fact? Will one of them notch down their ego and focus on the thing that they were here for in the first place? So, to watch the next episode of Chapter 2, Part 2, until then, stay tuned with us. If you have missed the first chapter, the beginning of the end, do watch it. The link is given below. Thank you for listening.